Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be working on the February monthly setup in my everyday planner, which is a B6 Stalogy. I've already drawn out the month grid for the month. I made quite a few mistakes, and I'm second guessing my choice of pen. I chose a gold metallic pen to draw the grid, and then I even went so far as to draw the grid wrong. So I'll be using the stickers that I'm using for the February monthly kit from Let's Get Plan to cover up as many of my mistakes as I can. To start, I'm going to just work on the monthly page. Then I'm going to go back and work on the February currently page. That's going to be something new that I haven't done before. So I'm just going to go ahead and start laying down the stickers, placing everything, laying down the dates and covering up my mistakes, and then we'll move from there. I'm using washi tape from Simply Gilded, and the washi tape, I feel like it goes really well with the kit. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up decorating, and then I'll catch you on the other side. Okay, so I put down all of the stickers for the month, covered up my mistakes, or as much as I could. And so now I'm going to go in and put down the holidays and occasions, or like the things that I need to note on the monthly calendar. So let's do that. No vacation, none of that. Valentine's Day is on the 14th. President's Day is on the 19th. And then when is International Women's Day? That's not until March 8th. So can't use that. Let's get this other payday. I don't know if there's any no school days in February. I'll have to check. Nope, let's put it up top. I think that's everything I need to use off of that. All right, so that's it for the monthly. So I did tip in the freebie dashboard from the Facebook group. It's Freebie Friday. It's a Freebie Friday dashboard. I printed it on vellum. And I used this one because I felt like it matched best with the kit. I mean, it's not an exact match, but it's closer than using the red Queen of Hearts. So I chose Relax. And what washi tape am I going to use? I think I'm going to use this one. I think that looks nice with it. Wow, that pen goes through the paper pretty good. I didn't expect that. I was trying to use something different from the Micron pen to draw the grid, but that does kind of leak through a little bit. Now, I don't know that I want to use the rest of the kit as far as, I need to put these away. As far as the florals and stuff, I do like the hearts. And are these individual? Ooh, I don't like when it's individual because I have a hard time lining them up. Let's do February 1st. So since I can't line them up straight, I don't even try. I just go ahead and make them tilted. It's not spaced correctly, but it's close enough. So I'm not going to use all of them. Going to use Grateful for making. Let's use workouts. Nope, that's not. Let's see. Let's do reading. Eating. And then I'm going to do feeling. Where did I see it? There it is. And I think that's good enough because I don't usually do this type of thing. So we'll see how it goes. Then let's see if I can make this a little straighter. I don't know what I want to put here. And I just ruined that vellum corner. Okay, I'll come up with something later. But that is where we are for the February monthly setup. It's pretty nice, I think. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I use this kit from Let's Get Planned. It's called February Monthly and February Currently. And then the vellum is a freebie in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. The washi tape is all from Simply Gilded. And I do have a special discount link in the description box below for Simply Gilded. Okay, so I guess that's it for now. I'll be back with more decorating soon. I hope you enjoyed this quick decorating session. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.